So the change in how we relate to our environment after surgery. You know, before surgery, I didn't have a great relationship with food. Right, I really didn't understand what I was putting in my body. I would just put it in my body and eat it. And I think that the way that we have to change our environment after surgery to actually change our lifestyle and change our relationship to food. I mean, you completely clean out your pantry and you have to restock with all new foods. You look at nutrition labels and you understand percent of protein and percent of carbs and how it builds into the calories of what you're eating and how that's going to affect your body. And we grow up in our environments and some of us are never taught to view those things as important. I know people who they've never had to worry about weight loss. They can eat whatever they want to eat and stay skinny, and you always want to be that person, but some of us just can't be. Some of us have to learn how to have a proper relationship with our environment to affect our body and to maintain a lifestyle that we want to have.